Good, you?
Yeah, good.
I used to live by your real old site.
Oh, the old, yeah.
In Syria?
Yeah.
Guacamole spice. Ooh, nice. It's pretty cool. Cool, look at those ones.
Hindi magandang view.
Ew, it looks so scary. Look at the eyes.
No, dito na ako magandang view. Dito na ako.
Yan, hindi mo kang peak.
Dito.
Dapat malayo.
Okay, directors. It looks so scary. Pao, what is that?
It's pork head.
So cute, ma. What else are you making? Is it crispy? That looks scary, pa. Look at it. It's like butchered. Butchered. Butchered.
Look at that, my god. So crunchy. So bahala na kayo dyan, ha? Inyo ka. Oh.
What is that?
That's the ears of the pig.
Left ear or right ear?
Yeah, do you know this one? That's the brain. It's peeled out.
Wow. That looks good.
Tastes like egg.
Egg?
Yeah.
Is it that creamy?
Yeah, that's creamy.
Look how many like eggplants you got, ma. Look how green that is. So pretty.
I'm going to, I'm going to pickle the
Yum.
eggplant.
You're gonna pickle it?
Yeah. Means
A lot of
boiled
mangoes.
water.
Oh, look at that. Ooh, so much skin.
I don't want to see you cut it. Ow!
Ooh. Ooh.
This is the back of the head. Look how juicy it is.
It's so juicy. That's some more.
How much was the whole head? Guys, it's so water. I know.
Does he really?
It's horrible.
He has a hard time digesting food. Oh shit, Mel. You gotta get bigger, man.
Bigger? What? What does that have to do anything with IBS?
You gotta eat more veggies. That's what I'm saying.
Eat a lot of greens. Bok choy.
Yeah, take rice out of your diet.
Yeah, a lot of bok choy.
I hope your rice
Your
cooker breaks
stomach's too
down.
sensitive.
Get crazy here. I hope your rice cooker breaks down.
That is.
Alright, what you marinate it with?
Hi, PK. Hi.
Oh my god, I can see myself. Why are we?
Where are we right now?
We are in the Chan Center. Go look at Della for a while.
Look at them. They're laughing. They're doing their own thing. Say hi. Yeah.
So this is my camera for all-purpose vlogging. Is this a new point and shoot then? And can we not come close? Come close to Della. Personal bubble, man. It's pretty good. I mean,
Oh, you can focus.
yeah, it's touchscreen. Hey, birthday girl.
Hey, guess what?
What's that?
Got my laptop back.
Finally.
Yeah, finally.
Oh,
I'm so happy because that means more games for me.
nice.
What happens if you drop it? You don't think that.
So can I edit my videos?
Yeah, you can.
Sweet.
Gotta get that antivirus first.
Hey, is it true that you got virus on your laptop?
Yeah. But
That's why the Wi-Fi got
no, it's
messed
because
up.
I upgraded to Windows 8. I mean Windows 10. I upgraded to Windows 10 and Windows 10 sucked.
Yeah.
So yeah, it glitched out my Wi-Fi adapter.
Awesome. So what do you want for your birthday?
Probably a game.
Well, we're gonna see, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you have to get it. But I like
You look very pretty. Hi, Mom. So, this is my beautiful mommy.
And this is my beautiful daughter.
Where are we going? We're gonna celebrate Nicole's birthday, right?
Yeah, we're
Oh,
going
it's
to,
so sunny.
We're going to a male stripper.
Male stripper. My mom's a joker. Look how pretty she is. Okay, we're gonna go there now. See you guys. So we are celebrating Nicole's birthday. Oh. We are where we are? Empire.
in yeah, Empire
Dim Sum and Seafood Restaurant. Here's Wanye. Sup Wanye. There's Chert. Dad and Mama. Beautiful Mama. So where are we ordering?
I don't know.
Is it just a dim sum place?
No,
There's a lot.
wala. Dim sum ata sa umaga lang.
Oh, there's no dim sum?
Not at this time.
Oh, it should be
Oh,
that.
shoot.
I don't know.
Tingnan mo ano maganda ni Ki.
Look at this.
Soup. Kailangan ko soup.
Yes,
What happened, guys? What happened there?
so the hot and sour soup was supposed to taste hot and sour,
Yeah.
but
Supposed to be fine time.
everyone took a
Supposed
bite.
to be.
We're like, oh, is this water?
And
Like
it's
every
called
ingredient's
Empire.
here.
They forgot to put vinegar and other shit in our hot and sour soup. That's so fail. Look at the disappointment. The disappointment is real.
Korean barbecue.
Pin mo sampa iba.
The disappointment is real. Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry. The first restaurant that we went to was an epic fail. It sucked. Right, yeah, it really sucked. It's like fancy dining and all of this stuff. How much was that? But how much was that hot and sour soup?
$26.
$26 for hot and sour soup, and they forgot to put seasoning and vinegar, the most important part of a hot and sour soup. So now where are we going?
Good eats.
It's called Good Eat, so it better be good or else someone's gonna get hurt. Part 2 of our food hunt.
No.
We're gonna order some hot and sour soup, see how it is.
And
Hopefully it's not a fail. And if it's bad, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna stop.
You're gonna slap though. Good Eats. You think this one's gonna... We should order hot and sour soup.
Put the camera on one.
I should not be behind the wheel.
What happened there, Wanye? It's okay. You're forgiven.
I saw Papa's face. He was like,
Yeah, Papa's like, oh my god. Wanye, shame. So much shame. It's okay, you're forgiven. Poor crab got his arm cut off. Isn't that sad? Beef. Chicken. Ooh, the fish. Nathan, can you taste it? No. But he's still eating.